Today we are taking down a very large laurel oak tree that has significant rot from possibly fungi that started from a prior branch wound or injury. You will see later in the video a close-up look of the inside. Huge hollowed out branches have already fallen and damaged parts of this customer's backyard. There is also a palm tree and a completely rotted tree behind the laurel oak that we end up taking down as well, as the palm tree is growing too close to the power lines for the customer's comfort, and the other tree is between fence panels and is in danger of damaging the fence. Here's a close-up look of the process it takes to take down a large tree. Altogether, this took us 4 hours from top to bottom and about an hour of cleanup. In a future video, you will see us take down the smaller palms and 2 remaining trees in their backyard. Stay tuned. I'll see you all in the next one. Good luck.